Stunningly beautiful and maintenance-free, the Opti-V Aquarium uses unprecedented technology to render a virtual aquarium experience. The unique design features ultra-realistic swimming fish within a three-dimensional environment that is vibrant in both color and definition. Bubbling sounds of a real aquarium, high-definition video, and a three-dimensional illusion create the soothing effect of a living aquarium with virtual fish featuring yellow tang and clownfish, which are both popular but difficult to maintain in a tank. Operating the convenient remote is the only work needed to enjoy a perfect undersea world. While cleaning and maintaining a traditional aquarium is time-consuming and costly, the Opti-V Aquarium requires no effort whatsoever, making it ideal for any commercial installations, such as lobbies, medical or dental offices, retirement residences, or restaurants, just to name a few. Install in public or residential spaces to entertain or simply add a little calm to the surroundings. With its zero-clearance design, the Opti-V Aquarium is made to be built-in and direct-wired to a 120 or 240-volt circuit for a seamless look, while meeting the strictest building codes so you can install it almost anywhere using virtually any finishing material. Using durable and energy-efficient LED technology, the aquarium is also incredibly economical to operate, and the LEDs last 35 times longer than incandescent light bulbs. Enjoy the mesmerizing behavior of exotic fish without the need to feed them, clean the tank, or maintain the filter, water quality, or temperature. The perfect blend of magic and realism without the maintenance make the Opti-V Aquarium virtually amazing.